Let's warm you up with some soup.
Wow! What a storm!
That was me this time.
Storm's over! Come on! Push!
What a mess! Look familiar? It's from our treehouse. What's it doing all the way over here?
We'd better go and check it out. Oh, no!
Our treehouse! All my drawings are gone.
Oh, the telescope's missing too.
It's completely wrecked. It'll be okay, Benjamin.
Hopping hazelnuts! You guys really need to take better care of your treehouse.
It was the storm, Nutkin.
Storm? Where? I love storms.
Sorry, it's already happened.
Oh, I guess I slept through it. Hey, that explains why I woke up next to this.
Our telescope! There must be pieces of our treehouse all over the woods. Look! Tommy Brock's got some of our roof.
Do you know what else is missing? Your dad's sign.
Oh no!
What are we going to do?
There's only one thing to do. We're going to find every single piece of our treehouse, starting with that roof. Let's hop to it.
Oh, I do love the wind. It blows things around. Except the pieces I find on the ground. Huh? Rabbits? Get off my tin!
No can do, Mr. Brock. This tin belongs to us. Isn't that right, Benjamin? Yes. I mean, yes.
I don't care. It's mine now.
No! Sorry, but our treehouse needs its roof back.
Come back here! I'll turn you into a fur hat! Oh.
We made it!
Monkey with the tool belt.
Quasi, sound the Octo alert. Octonauts, to the launch bay.
And got it.